Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be revisiting this contraption, this mess of a contraption that I made 9 months ago. Basically, it is a lithium ion battery charger, a 1S charger, and it steps up the voltage 3.7 volts nominal to 12 volts to power an LED. And this is a TP4056 module. You basically give it 5 volts in, so I have a USB-C 5 volt port there, and that charges the battery. But this is used for, this device here is used for my MAILBOX light. So I have an LED light which I plug into the JST connector here, and we need 12 volts, so this is the MT3608 step-up converter. And the first iteration of this was the light was on all the time and the solar panel was charging the battery only during the day because that's when the sun is up, and at night it would just be on because you'd be able to see it. But that's terribly inefficient. So eventually in the second video I got this HW-150 solar control module, which basically gives you power to the load here if there's no more voltage detected on S plus and S minus, which is basically solar positive and negative. Now, it worked for a while, but then it stopped and it wasn't charging my battery, or something was going on. And the reason was, instead of attaching the battery directly to plus and minus, I actually added the MT3608 output, so 12 volts into battery plus and minus. So yeah, that wasn't the true reading of the battery, so something went funky and I fixed it, and I never made a follow-up video. I forgot about it, but there's been a few comments on my older videos saying they followed it or something and they're experiencing this issue. So this is the follow-up video on how I fixed it. So let's revisit this. The TP4056 is actually also a BMS. It has battery plus and minus. That's pretty self-explanatory. Then you have these two out terminals. The output is actually the solar control module. Battery plus and minus there. You see that? And with the solar plus and minus, that just comes directly from the USB-C input, which will be the 5 volt solar panel. And the load on the HW-150 will be the boost converter, the MT3608. So let's talk about what happens. So during the day, I am getting power from the solar panel. It's going to the TP4056, and it is charging the battery because it has direct access to the battery. And over here, because I'm getting voltage in from the solar panel, this load won't get any power because there's voltage coming into solar plus and minus. Okay, so when it's evening, there's no more light, no more voltage is detected at solar plus and solar minus. So then this load gets activated. So then the battery power passes through, powers the load, and then it steps up the voltage to 12 volts and powers on my LED. So that was the correct way to do it and how to fix it. So there we go. I hope that helps people that followed my older video. Let's do that one more time. So the battery plus and minus on the TP4056 directly connected to the battery. The output of the TP4056 goes to the battery plus and minus of the solar control board. Solar plus and minus directly to the solar input or the 5 volt input. And the load is connected to the boost converter. There we go. I hope that made sense. If you have any questions, please leave it in the video comments and I'll answer them. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.